That's us challenge, homeboy. Drink that shit. Ew, tell her, get it out. Girl,
Smells like hot sauce up in here.
No shit.
You're a dumbass.
Drink that shit, homeboy. Lick your lips. Nigga.
Oh shit. Oh,
don't
round three. Round three.
You're cleaning that up.
That too?
Drink that shit, homeboy.
Yummy,
that shit looks good.
Is that it?
Ooh, Lord,
oh,
that smells
round
hot.
4.
You smell it, Eduardo?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Can
I call you Eduardo?
I don't care. I can't believe you're doing this.
Whoa, that was so totally radical. Didn't get no water or anything.